Hello everyone, I'm Pukraj and welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today I'll be sharing with you not one but two very amazing sandwich recipes. Sandwiches are a perfect option for breakfast, lunch and dinner. You can have them all the time. And today's recipes are so simple, very quick to make and very delicious. We'll be doing cheesy tomato onion toasted sandwich and creamy mayo egg sandwich. They are very tasty and very amazing. You don't want to miss them at all. But before moving forward, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. Let's get started. So we'll be starting with the super delicious cheesy tomato onion toasted sandwich. For this, I've taken white sandwich bread, but if you want, you can choose multigrain or brown bread as per your liking. So use softened butter for this and spread it nicely on one side of the bread. Don't be shy using butter for this sandwich. This will give the crispiness to the sandwich. And now we'll butter the other bread slice as well. Softened butter is used because it is very easy to apply. You don't have to struggle with it. Just apply it nicely, covering all the sides and edges as well. And now we'll just put away one of the bread slices and we'll put the buttered side downwards, and on top of this we'll be adding cheese slice. Feel free to use any cheese of your liking. You can even use grated cheese as well. I like to use double cheese slices for this because that will give its unique taste and flavor. And onto this I'll be adding some chopped onions. I've chopped them very finely. I've taken one medium onion for the sandwich. The filling totally depends upon your liking. And now I'll be adding some chopped tomatoes on this. And onto this we'll be adding some black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper works best for this sandwich. This is perfectly according to your taste. We'll add some salt now. And some oregano seasoning on it. If you don't have oregano seasoning, you can feel free to omit this one. And now we'll cover the sandwich with another slice of the bread that we already buttered. Just press it nicely a little bit, and now we'll just grill it on a grill pan, or even you can toast it on a tawa or a fry pan. So I've taken a grill pan, and on this grill pan I haven't buttered it because I've already applied butter on the bread slices, and I'll be putting the sandwich in the center of the grill pan, and on medium to high heat I will just let it grill nicely. If you don't have a grill pan, feel free to use a normal tawa or a flat pan or any fry pan that you have at home. We have to cook it till it is golden brown and crispy on each side. So now it's time to flip the toasted sandwich. Look how beautiful and crispy and goldenish the color of the sandwich is. This is absolutely amazing. Just press it a little bit nicely and we'll wait for the other side to cook as well. Our sandwich has cooked properly. Look at the beautiful color and the grill marks, and can you hear the crunch? It is so delicious. And it's time now to plate it. So you can see our sandwich is ready, and look at the beautiful grill marks on this one. And it's so golden and lovely and crispy. So we'll just cut it into 2 parts. And did you see the cheese oozing out of the sandwich? The cheese has melted very nicely. Look at all the beautiful fillings. This is so luscious and so delicious. I just can't wait to eat it. All the cheesy goodness. Let's plate it and then it will be ready for eating. So the second sandwich for the day is creamy egg and mayonnaise sandwich. For that, we have taken mayonnaise. You can take either eggless version of mayonnaise if you like, or the fat-free version as well. So that is around 4 to 5 tablespoons of mayo. And into this, we'll just season it with some salt and crushed black pepper, or you can even add black pepper powder, depending upon your taste buds. And I like to add little bit of red chili flakes to my sandwich to make it spicy. But if you're making it for the kids or you don't like it spicy, then you can omit the red chili flakes. And we'll just give it a quick mix. And make sure to check the seasoning before you apply this on the toast. So we'll keep it aside and we'll bring in the eggs. For the sandwich, I've already boiled the eggs and I've taken 4 boiled eggs. The first step is, for the creamy texture of the sandwich, we'll be mashing up the eggs. So I'll be mashing up 2 eggs and chopping up another 2 eggs. So now we'll be mashing these eggs. By mashing these eggs and mixing them into the mayonnaise will provide a very creamy texture to the mayo. So you can see our eggs have been mashed properly, and now we'll bring in the mayonnaise and we'll be adding these to the mayo mixture. We'll give it a quick stir. If you like more mayonnaise, you can feel free to add it. It all depends upon your taste buds. Look, this is looking so creamy and so delicious. And now I've chopped the eggs as well, and I'll be adding the chopped pieces of egg into this mixture. And again, we'll give it a good mix. My mouth is watering already. Look how delicious, how creamy this is looking. And it's very, very easy to make. Our egg mixture is ready, and now we'll apply it on our bread slices. So for the sandwich, I've taken white bread slice, but if you don't like it, you can use any brown, multigrain, or any other bread of your choice. So on one of the sides of the bread, I'll be putting this creamy egg mayo mixture, and just spread it nicely till the edges. If you like to add some veggies or some lettuce leaves, feel free to do so, but I like it the way it is and it tastes absolutely amazing. Just cover it with another bread slice and our very delicious sandwich is ready to eat. So guys, I really hope that you liked both the sandwiches. They are super easy, super delicious and very quick to make. They serve as a perfect snack or a main course item, and they are a very good option for parties and when you have guests coming over as well. And kids also really love them because they are full of cheesy, yummy goodness. I'm sure you all will love these recipes, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.